Welcome to 365 Technologies Tech Tips. Today, we're going to show you how to access Microsoft Teams keyboard shortcuts. Head on over to your Account button. That's the button with either your initials or picture on it. Click on it and a menu opens. Click on the Keyboard Shortcuts menu item and a shortcut master list appears. Of course, there is also a keyboard shortcut to get to your keyboard shortcut master list. On Windows, it's Alt+/, and on a Mac, it's Command+. One quick note, not only are the keyboard shortcuts on this list different between Mac and Windows, but also different depending on whether you access Teams through your web browser or desktop application. So please be sure to check the master list on the device and application you are using. Let's try some useful shortcuts from the list. I'm on a Mac, so I'll be using Mac keyboard shortcuts. Let's say you want to compose a message to a team member. I want to message Kellyanne. Kellyanne currently isn't in my recent list. So I'm going to use Control+N on Windows and Command+N on a Mac to open a new chat. I'll start by typing Kellyanne's name and click on her name when it pops up to start a conversation. To type a new message, hold down the letter C. Your icon will appear in the new message box. If you want to expand your new message, hold down Control+Shift+X on Windows and Command+Shift+X on a Mac. I can now type my message to Kellyanne. To jump to different sections in Teams, you can hold the Windows Control key or Mac Command key and hit the corresponding number to that section. For instance, Command+1 takes me to Activity, Command+2 takes me to Chat, Command+3 takes me to Teams, etc. Again, if you're on Windows, hold down the Control key plus the number. So now you know how to find the keyboard shortcuts list. You can experiment and incorporate the shortcuts in your daily work routine. Thanks for watching. We're 365 Technologies, an IT service provider. If you have any questions, we're here to help. Visit us at 365tech.ca. Have a great day.